हाय फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। केम छो, कैसे हैं आप लोग। और इसी के साथ आज मैं आप चैनल शुरू करती हूँ और अपना देसी व्लॉगर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स से और दोस्तों से ज़रूर लाइक कराइए, अपने फैमिली मेम्बर से। तो आज हम घूमने निकल चुके हैं, कमिंग से जा रहे हैं एटलांटा डाउनटाउन की तरफ। और मौसम का ये हाल है कि आज रिमझिम बारिश हो रही है और धीमी धीमी बारिश के साथ ये सुबह शुरू हुई है। अक्टूबर का महीना लग गया है तो ठंडी भी शुरू हो गई है। और ये एरिया कहलाता है पेरीमीटर, एबेनेथी रोड पे है। हे गाइस, स्वागत होता है आपका मेरे चैनल अपना देसी व्लॉगर में। आज मैं पेरीमीटर मॉल आई हूँ और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा कि मैंने ये टोनल कंपनी का, जो कि सैन फ्रांसिस्को में है, उनका ये AI कॉन्सेप्ट का बहुत अच्छा सा ऑटोमेटिक जिम देखा, जो कि स्मार्टेस्ट होम जिम कहलाता है। और आप देख सकते हैं, अगर आप फिज़िकल फिटनेस फ्रीक हैं और घर के अंदर ही जिम चाहते हैं तो इस तरह का AI कॉन्सेप्ट, जो कि सैन फ्रांसिस्को की कंपनी है, उसमें आप अपने घर में दीवार पे, वॉल पे लगा सकते हैं टोनल जिम, जो कि स्मार्टेस्ट जिम है। और आप देख सकते हैं बड़ी ज़बरदस्त तरह से ये वीडियो बनाया गया है, जो कि बता रहे हैं कि आप ये इस जगह को किस तरह अपने स्ट्रेंथ और ट्रेनिंग एक्सरसाइजेज वगैरह घर में कर सकते हैं। ये जिम का ये पूरा इक्विपमेंट के साथ आपको ये बेंच भी मिलती है, जिस पे आप बेंच प्रेस वगैरह कर सकते हैं। और बहुत ही खूबसूरत ये पेरीमीटर मॉल पे ऊपर सेकंड फ्लोर पे है, विक्टोरिया सीक्रेट के सामने। तो और ये कंपनी सैन फ्रांसिस्को की है। मैं आपको डिटेल्स दूंगी। अगर आपको ये जिम चाहिए या इंडिया में मंगवाना हो तो आप इन्हें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। कंपनी का नाम है टोनल, ये इनका फ्लायर है। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप इंडिया में भी ये मंगाएं तो ये आपको बेच सकते हैं। ये इनका QR कोड है, QR कोड से आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। इसकी कॉस्ट $5,300 है। और आप ये देख सकते हैं, जमीशा को कॉल कर सकते हैं। ये फ़ोन नंबर है नीचे, नोट इट डाउन। तो बहुत ही अच्छा AI कॉन्सेप्ट इन द जिम, जो कि आप घर की दीवार पे लगा के सेम स्ट्रेंथ, सेम पावर, सब चीज़ आप एक साथ ही इसी छोटे से जिम में कर सकते हैं।
Popcorn right here. You know, we got cheese the caramel, we got the Chicago style. We just came to Atlanta and opened up our own business, you know, but we make different flavors. So if you look at to have a party or something like that, I'm the man for the job. You know, just come and holler at me and I'll make sure I get you straight, okay? We're located in Perimeter Mall on the first floor next to JD Sports in Aeropostale.
Yes, and Aeropostale. So do come and give Jeremiah some love. He sells popcorn in different flavors. He can definitely come and help you with his birthday parties. He can set up a corner for kids to have flavored popcorns in chicken, cheese. He has spicy, he has caramel, and I see he has cheese also.
Yeah.
So, and he is locally owned business. Please come and help him and show some love.
Yep,
and support to him. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Jeremiah. We're at Aeropostale and they have buy one get one free on jeans. Some are 40% running sale. They have beautiful winter jackets are here and they're sleeveless, puffy, have 2 pockets here. They also have sweaters attached to this one, so they are well all ready for wearing it for winter. They have jeans here, a nice top, a boat neck with frills at the bottom. The prices on these are, let me show you, and they are also running 40% sale over all the store. And this one is $54.95 plus 40% off. Buy one get one free on jeans, so that's a good buy. The On jeans they have buy one get one. They have these kind of frilly leather skirts, beautiful black. Price is $44.99. They have all kind of sweater material right now since the weather is changing. Cute color, white one, and they're coming in different sizes, small, medium and large with 40% off. The price of this is buttoned in front and the pattern is beautiful. The price is $54.95 plus 40% off. They have a black jacket, 40%, lovely pink sweater. I see this beautiful cotton shirt and a beautiful sleeves which is having a little elastic in the sleeve, and they have all these puff jackets which are here already. They have beautiful this chocolate brown color for 40% off. All the jeans are buy one get one in all sizes available, small, medium, large, XL. And they have this mannequin with a lovely night pants and a nice spaghetti top. Beautifully, they are also helping cancer awareness, which I saw is 50% off. I see the cancer sign since October is the cancer preventing, and they are running the sales for these. Maybe they are supporting the cancer. As they have Aero tops here. Aeropostale has beautiful sale going on. All these sweaters are here and the price on the sweater are $49.95. They have in dark blue with a beautiful heart, in a light gray, ivory color and a light pink color. So all these are Aero tops. This beautiful 40% in a nice maroon color in a large size for $36.95. They also have all these beautiful pink color with a nice dice, 40% off, and they have a pink sweater to go beautiful. They have knots in the front. You have to wear something underneath like a spaghetti top. A pink sweater which is very pretty, nice pinkish color to keep you warm, and the price on this sweater is $54.95 plus they give you 40% off. All the jeans today are buy one get one free. They also have beautiful pants in cotton, has two pockets here on the sideways. Price is $59.95 with 40% off. All the jeans here are going for some are $19.99 which are here. This looks like for jeggings. They are called jeggings, and jeggings are like stretchy material. They're coming in three colors. That's beige color, and then blue and the light blue. So you have three different colors to choose from. The store is beautifully lit. You can come and shop here in Perimeter. It's on the first floor. So I see another pink color. Pink color looks like too much in at the moment. The same price, 40% off, and the price, there's three colors, pink and then there is white, very beautifully, $49.95. And they're also giving 40% off pink, white and dark blue. They have three colors. So they have beautiful night pants to match your shirts also. You can do mix and match over here. So I see this beautiful berry pink color with a hoodie. Just as the fall is in, they have beautiful colors here in the store. And this is XSS, price is $34.95. They're giving you 60% off on this rack as they're clearing all this summer collection. They have beautiful shorts also here. And then there are tops for you. They're sleeping suits, I guess. And they have this beautiful lavender color sweatpants, and the price is $49.95. They are called Demi Terra from Aeropostale. This looks like all night pants, and they have this matching shirts to go with it, or you can also have a hoodie. They also have beautiful jackets here from Dallas Cowboy, which is very well nice dark blue and cream combination NFL jacket, and the price on this is $120.95 and 40% off. Very well and very beautifully. They have one in purple color, Viking one, purple and yellow combination. And then they have all these sports shorts from Kansas City and Dallas shorts here in Aeropostale for $49.95. All the jeans are going buy one get one free, 40% hoodies are lined up. They are coming in dark blue and black. They also have Chief NFL shirts for $84.95, very well done. Black with the red corners piping. They have camouflage pants here, clear pants, black pants, and they have t-shirts, very well graphic t-shirts in all colors. लाल में है, मरून में है, क्रीम में है और ग्राफिटी शर्ट्स की प्राइस है $26.95 for each. So beautiful graphic shirts. They have New York, California and all this available in Aeropostale store. Very beautifully done, the display. The cotton material is very soft and easy to wear. So Aero has everything here. They also have Aero from New York, Aero 1987, 87 is the number they like, California shirts and very well embroidery. The price on this is $32.95 and there is a barcode here if you want to order online. So you can sit at home and order online. There's a beautiful camouflage with the NYC and people are shopping, they're enthusiastic about shopping. They have night dresses on 70% off. This is a nice ivory with green flowers. The price is $49.95 and extra 70% off. That's a good buy. So they have small dresses here which are on sale. They have put for $12.99. You can beat that price. Very nice price for summer. You can use for next year. You can wear a nice leather jacket on top. So the price is very good, $12.99 for these summer dresses. They have frill at the bottom. Such nice colors with little berries. They have in boat neck also, and they have beautiful skirts and shorts which are made up of this material with dots, and these kind of sports wearing skirts, all $12.99. They have some kind of sprays and perfumes for $18. They have tester bottle, you can test and then you can make your mind to buy. They have all kind of 4 for $20 all girl undies in different colors.